I'm Ahmed Musthaeen from Dhoores Retreat Private Limited, aaaVeee Nature's Paradise.
Well, good evening, and thank you very much for taking a moment to speak to Breaking Travel News. Congratulations on your victory at the World Spa Awards this evening. How does it feel to have won?
I think I'm very much excited to receive this award, and also just would like to say green, blue, nature. The alternative word for this is aaaVeee, yeah, and you can get everything in line with our natural environment and our ecosystem from aaaVeee Nature's Paradise.
So you're very much trying to return to the roots of Maldivian tourism, to take things back to their natural character.
Yes, definitely. So we are just aaaVeee. It's just Maldives. It's you and the nature only.
Congratulations, and thank you very much for speaking to us. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.